This chicken pie turned out delicious, easy to make, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Just look at this, guys. You will love it once you try it. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, chicken seasoning, grated nutmeg, sugar, salt, baking powder, and stir till well combined. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything has come together, I went ahead and added in butter. So you're looking for a breadcrumbs consistency, use your fork to mash, and this is what you're looking for. You're looking for something like this, a breadcrumbs consistency. When done, create a well in the middle and add an egg. So this is fresh cream. You can use buttermilk in case you don't have fresh cream. Mix till well combined until it forms a dough. So once it has formed a dough, transfer it on your work surface, sprinkle flour on it, and then knead it for about 3 minutes. You do not want to overwork it. Once it is smooth enough, you are good to go. So this is what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. This should be the consistency. Transfer it back into your bowl and let it rest for at least from 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm using the leftover chicken for it. You can use chicken breast, cook it, and then add in your vegetables. But I was having leftover chicken, so I mashed it and then I added in carrots, onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. So I added in chili flakes, which is totally optional, and then I stirred till well combined. If you're not a chili flakes lover, you can use black pepper instead of the chili flakes. So keep that aside as well. Bring the dough and divide it into smaller pieces. This was around 80 to 90 grams each, so I got 10 pieces. Roll it into a ball shape, bring one, and then cover the rest with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. So roll it very well and then press. Make sure you flatten it with your palm, and then you'll be needing a sieve for this type of sieve. It's very easy, very easy. All you have to do is to put it on top of the sieve and then use your fingertips to press it as seen in the video. When done, flatten it. Scoop about a tablespoon of the filling in, and then carefully bring the edge together and pinch it together. Make sure you pinch it well. If not, it could open whilst baking. So make sure you pinch it well and then make sure it's well sealed. When done, all you have to do is to bring it and then remove it as seen in the video. It's very easy. It's just a design. If you want, you can just go ahead and do the normal meat pie design or chicken pie design. Is very easy. When done, brush on top with an egg wash and bake this bad boys at 180 degrees Celsius from 25 to 30 minutes. This is very simple and it's very easy, and it turned out delicious. The good thing about this is that you can use leftover chicken or leftover meat for this amazing recipe and you are good to go. Just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? You will love it once you try it. See you in my next video. Please share and comment. Bye bye.